Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to watch Netflix with NordVPN. So this one is actually really interesting. So let's just say any show or anything is not visible or the Netflix is itself not loading up onto your device, right? So what you need to do here is simply install NordVPN. It is providing you different capabilities. Let's just say you want some streaming services and they are not working in your country. You can, like for example, Netflix. You can head over to the link in the description below and get 70% off. So you can see I can connect to literally any region from this extension of my NordVPN, and this will be allowing me to simply jump into that region and watch Netflix. So that's how you can watch Netflix using NordVPN. And I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.